work done on the 87 here. Took all the interior all apart. Took all the seats out, the carpet out, all the rubber mat. So we gotta cut all this out. This is all rusted. Got a panel coming in either tomorrow or the next day. A floor panel. So we'll put that in, cut it all out. That in. Then we made a little cover because, like I said, this is a 2-wheel drive cab on a 4-wheel drive frame, and that's for the 4-wheel drive. So last night, me and my buddy made this for it. Out of fiberglass. Turned out not too bad. Put a couple more layers of fiberglass on it. I think she'll be not too bad. So yeah, that's what we've been done so far to this. So my plan for the cab in here is to put that, I don't know if I said it in the other video, to put that Raptor liner stuff you can buy on Amazon. Put that on, maybe do the back here a little bit, mostly the floor, and then get that a sound dampening mats you could buy that you stick on. Has like when you see the floor, it looks like it's like tin foil. You stick it on and you roll it to make it all curvy and stuff. Want to get that. Seen it on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. So yeah, that's what we've been doing so far. Took everything out of it and hopefully get this done in a few days or a couple weeks or whatever. Lots of projects on the go. Working on my sled too. Change the gotta change the carb boots because they're all cracked. So right now I bought some from Kimpex. They're garbage. Put them on and they warped. Tried to start the sled, wouldn't even start. And when we got to start, had to run the choke wide open to keep it running. There was something like it was brutal. I don't know if these are the. Oh, here they are right here. Yeah, see, these are the old ones. Like this is thick metal here, and then the Kimpex ones are just garbage, thin. So I had to spend the big bucks. I didn't want to, but way she goes, right? Way she goes. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so we'll get back at her when we get the floor, when we start working on the floor, and yeah, I might do another video when this is all done. Show you guys how it turned out and stuff like that. And yeah, guys have a good day. See ya.